The little goats. Get on it. Oh, do you need me?
Nope.
He needs me.
So the wife wants some stands, I think, some play thing for the goats. I don't know, something. So I'm gonna build it. I'll bring you along. There's the beginning of it. We'll see how this goes.
All right, what we got going on here?
We're building a goat stand of sorts.
And you volunteered because you really wanted to do this, right?
It's the only thing I want to do today.
Yes. The best. These things look dope.
It'll be cool when it's done. Hi.
Can you hurry up?
I'm tired.
I think Chummy will like these.
Chummy?
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna like it.
I think Chummy specifically, he likes sunbathing. He's a sunbather.
Probably.
What did you use to build these?
It is old 2x6s that I have in the barn.
So this whole thing is built with just 2x6s?
2x6s, the whole thing, and 4x4s for the legs.
So the legs are 4x4s and everything else is a 2x6.
The 4x4s are pressure treated because they'll be in the dirt. Everything else is just dug fir.
Douglas fir?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of screws?
I have no idea what these are called. They're just a
Screw.
yeah, star tip wood screw. I buy and buy like the 50-pound box because I go through them so fast. What the heck was that? Hold on. I think I set it down.
I think we should put it. I think we should grab it from the bottom. Are you gonna be able to drive it without?
We're going down to one.
Got it? Yeah. We're gonna drop it.
We'll drop it.
Connor?
Coming, Mama.
We don't want
Yep.
to put it.
She'll tell you.
Over here. Gorgeous. How do you like it, Cash?
Don't run into it, though. Hey, grab that one.
You're so excited for that?
Wait.
We got a little audience here. Don't we? Don't we?
No.
Are you sure the goat's gonna jump on there?
We're about to find out.
That's fine, actually. The goat's gonna love it. Watch it for the baby. Where do you want it?
It's good. It's good farm ingenuity. This is how we mark where we're going to dig holes. And I say we, and I mean Shawn. Cash is bored. He thinks you need to go faster. He just yawned. Lane, who is that?
Fine.
Good job! How can you tell?
Because it's blonde.
No, she's white. Oh, careful. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Go slower, please.
I ain't going slow. I'm going fast. What do you want it, Dad?
Just sit down.
This is like a little core area. Twitty. That's these right over there.
This is Cash, honey, not Tweety.
Gertrude, come on.
Hey, who's? Ow. Wow, traumatic.
No, guys, grab this one, please. Number 2, done.
Number,
One more to go.
Number 3.
Where's number 3?
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
Keep going.
Let's go.
Right here. Wailing. I'm trying to. Right there. Under here. You can just do it right.
Somebody likes leaves, apparently. Whoa, gosh, close talker here. Calm yourself, dude. What are you looking for?
My gosh.
Okay, that was aggressive. Let's be gentle, okay? Let's be gentle. I don't want to get crazy.
This one.
I don't know, he hasn't found a mate yet.
Wait, what do you mean?
He hasn't found anyone yet.
It could be her.
It could be Klein, because she hasn't found one either. Babe, see Klein?
Hi.
She's like, what is he doing?
Oh, that one went deep.
Get a little tired?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little sweaty?
The ground's hard.
Come on, Waylon. Dig that hole.
You gotta dig out the hole.
A lot of sitting going on around here. Oh, she got you. Did that scare you?
No.
You're right. Just trying to figure out what's on your feet and your hands. Wow. You don't want to share Lane? He doesn't want to share his time with you. I guess I should probably test it out. Oh, because if my weight can hold it, then I'm sure these goats can sit on it. It's working pretty well. Pretty stable. Can't wait to see the little goats get on it. Oh, do you need me?
Nope.
He needs me. All right. Success. Exactly what I wanted. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Let's get some goats out here, shall we? Everybody come on. Got a crowd with me. Let's see if we're gonna get them up here. Here's some. Here's some. Come on, everyone. Get up here. Come on. Get up here. Big old belly. All right, now go on the bigger one. You guys did not understand the assignment. Whoa! You guys, look, right here. Chum, right here. Come here. Look, I put some right here. Look, oh, Shrimpy. Good boy. Come get it, Shrimpy. You guys are not very smart. Not intelligent. I mean, look at this guy. Talk about lazy goats. You guys are not smart. Somebody's got to do it first. I just know it. Come on, Bama. She's pregnant and everything. Nope, not doing it. Shrimpy. There! Shrimp! Oh my gosh, there he goes. Chummy was the first to be smart. Shrimpy, you almost hurt yourself. Chum! You chumster. There's more up there. Oh. Chummy, turn around. It's behind you. Who's going to be the first to go up top?
Yeah, shrimp basket.
Oh. Well, that's one way to do it. There he goes. Shrimpy.
Shrimp basket one.
Shrimpy wins. He did it. Yep. Oh, look at Carolina. She's like, I can do this too, guys. Look at the Three Stooges, mommy and baby. So shrimp basket is Carolina and Chummy's baby. Hilarious.
Well, pumpkin.
Wow, pumpkin. What are you doing under there, honey? Are you gonna, geez, how did you squeeze under there?
Should be eating the leftovers.
Oh, such pretty girl, huh? Yeah, sweet Carolina.
Dude, that's a long fall, bro.
Yeah, look at these two. They're like on the edge. Ah! I would say that this is complete success. Oh, there goes your teeny tiny. Look at him. All right, success. Thanks to my beautiful husband.
It's Letty, you're welcome.
Alrighty, that is all for the goat. What do you even call that? Play structure. That was so much fun. I cannot wait to watch them bounce around and have a blast on that thing. Anywho, we're so glad that you guys are here with us, and we appreciate each and every one of you, and we hope that you're having an amazing week, and we will see you next time. Bye.